I am at Walmart, and they got something new in the Sugarloaf vending machines again. It's fluffy slime. You know what? I'm gonna go for one. Two little packs of it in one capsule, which is pretty cool. And this Pepsi machine, I don't think it's really out of order. They just put it there just to, like, I don't know what they put it here for, but see, it works fine. Why the hell do they put an out of order sign on a Pepsi machine? That doesn't make any sense. I spit my dollar back out. You know what? I'm gonna have to use 50 cents for this one. No, that's my dollar coin. I'm using my quarters for this one. See, it worked. It just spit out my dollar for some reason, but it somehow took my quarters and I got myself a Pepsi and a capsule with fluffy slime. I am back at Walmart again. I just went to McDonald's to get myself a large Coca-Cola, since the Coca-Cola machine here at Walmart is actually broken. And I'm gonna get another of these fluffy slime things again. And we got two different colors, dark green and purple. And in the first capsule I got light green and yellow. Yep. This is the new thing that this Sugarloaf vending machine has. Yep. Sugarloaf. Yep. They got the new thing in the Sugarloaf vending machine again. This time it's fluffy slime. The other thing that they had here last time was those stretchy string things. And well, I'm guessing they must have put these fluffy slime things in here. They had the other stretchy things that were in here previously. Now it's fluffy slime. Yeah, I think it's the glow-in-the-dark stretchy string. Yep, those were the ones that they had here last time. I am at the Hibachi buffet. I am playing the claw machine. Well, it's play till you win, so I get to keep going. No, oh man. I ended up getting a damn frog. I thought I got it 2 in 1, but the other thing like slipped out. Well, I got the frog. Friggin' interesting. Alright guys, I did play the Gravity Hill machine and I won another MP3 player yet again, but I did not get it on camera. I also won a bouncy ball along with it. Well, I get a small prize with every play. Yeah, the top of the Gravity Hill machine, it says receive a small prize with every play. So we got a bouncy ball and this MP3 player right here, but not on camera. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And that's it for now. I will catch you later.